Folks, this is what we live for every month. Telling you every dividend we received. That's right, the M1 Finance portfolio now. We're going to show you every dividend I received this last month of March. And we're going to just show you a dividend tracking spreadsheet that we created to show you the power of dividend investing and how you can continue to grow by exponential amounts. So I hope you're excited. I know I am. A little bit under the weather, folks. So if you see me dip my head down, we're just taking care of a little bit of congestion. I guess that's the best way I'm going to say it. So here we are. We just did one for the Robinhood portfolio, which is valued a little bit higher. So if you're curious on that, make sure you take a look at that video as well. Or if you're coming from that video, thank you so much. I appreciate you. We have two portfolios that we show you on this channel, completely transparent. I show you every single position I have. You can find those videos on the channel as well. So with that being said, this was our biggest month, folks, of dividends. Our biggest month in both portfolios. I hope you're excited and you're ready to look at this. Over the last month, we've seen a great month. So overall, 6.13% return, $2,000 gains, over $1,950 or $960 of market gain just in the last month, which is actually outperforming our Robinhood portfolio. So I'll take it all day, okay? $37,000 portfolio. Let's get into the activity over the last little bit here, okay? Let's get into the dividends. You know it's a good month when when you're into the 2 pages, and we are into 2 pages, folks. Starting March 1st, we had 2 payments on March 1st. The first one is going to be from Ford Motor Company, $5.04 from Ford. I love it. You know, first dividend payment back since they started paying it again since they reinstated it. For some reason, we're dripping like a faucet all of a sudden. I know that's too much information for you, but I was fine, but now I'm absolutely gushing from the nose. Okay, it's getting rough here. Intel, $4.60. Love it. I love to see it always, folks. Just kidding. The stock's one of my worst performing stocks. It's pretty garbo. But the dividend's been all right for me, okay? Welltower after them, $5.01 from Welltower. It's been a great performer for me. IBM, $10.04. Now, we haven't seen much in terms of market gain for IBM, but we've seen great dividends earned from IBM, so that's always exciting for sure. Let's get into the first, I guess, the overall page here. It's exciting. We're on 2 pages, folks. First off, starting March 10th there, on this new page is going to be Microsoft. I bring it up here so you can see it. $3.15 for Microsoft. I don't know if you can see the bottom of the screen all the way there. Then we have Apple Hospitality, $1.95. Excited because that one started paying 5 cents again as opposed to the 1 cent it was paying prior. I'm glad it just reinstated it, but again, pretty exciting. This next one I'll do, and then the rest of them I think you should be able to see. Main Street Capital, monthly dividend payer, beautiful one as well. $3.14 from Main Street Capital. I love it a lot. Another monthly dividend payer in Realty Income Corp. That's right, I said that weird, but don't mind me. $3.38 from Realty Income. Then a big old schmackin' dividend, a fat Sally of a dividend with Arbor Realty Trust at $13.22. I love that one. I love it quite a bit. Prospect Capital paid $6.19, also a monthly dividend payer. If you weren't aware, it's been a really good performer for us. So, Kimco Realty, $5.77, has also been a great performer. I mean, we've got a lot of great performers on the in the portfolio here, and you've kind of seen that in the last month as we're smashing the market, folks. We're smashing the market, okay? Nvidia, the world's smallest dividend for Nvidia, 29 cents. Nothing crazy there. It's cool that they at least pay a dividend because it shows that they've got free cash flow and they care about the shareholders. But I'm not really in it for the dividend, okay? After that, we have Qualcomm. Yikes, it's rough out here, folks. I'm sorry. Qualcomm, $3.04. I like seeing that one. VYM, which is the Vanguard High Dividend Yield ETF. I mean, we're dripping like a sieve, folks. $5.86 from VYM. Bank of America paid $3.13. We'll take that all day, okay? Orchid Island Capital, this one is an absolute stinker. It's a garbage factory of a stock. But they did pay me $9.72. Doesn't really make up nearly for the capital loss we've seen, but we're still kind of holding it for the meantime. I don't know why, but I'm hopeful, hopeful. Okay, then Kohl's, $9.18 from Kohl's. That's a really nice dividend payer there too. If you don't know Kohl's, a lot of free cash flow. They reward the shareholders quite well. Main Street Capital, again, for some reason there's a separated dividend, but $1.15. I don't think they did a supplemental, but perhaps they did. But $1.15 from them, I'll take it all day. Gladstone, if you combine it, $4.94 from Gladstone, which is nice. SPHD paid $2.07 for me, monthly dividend fund. We love that. And finally, PepsiCo at $4.21. You may ask, where does that put us, folks? Where does that put us for the month? Oh, here's the chart. I told you it was coming. $105.13, our biggest month out there by a good margin, over really around $10 more than our previous high, which is really exciting. If you look from a cumulative standpoint, now we've made somehow an even dollar amount on the M1 Finance portfolio, $1,462, which is nice. Both portfolios combined over the lifespan have given me $4,100 of income. Really nice to see that over a few-year span. And that number is going to continue to grow by exponential margins. If you look at how both of them stack up, again, Robinhood had a ridiculous month this month, a ridiculously good month. But the M1 Finance keeping up when you're talking about the fact that they had a 1 year, Robinhood had a 1 year head start, okay? Got to consider that. And from a cumulative total, obviously, you see the 4,100 combined, and then M1 Finance. You see where they stack up. It's exciting. I hope you really like this. That's what I got for you, folks. You can see a great you see that exponential growth? I know you do, because I sure do. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.